In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. So the first step is you want to go to your profile in bottom left corner, then you want to go to settings. From the settings, go to connectors, and here you want to browse connectors and you want to search for it Figma. And here you can see two options. You have the Figma MCP server or you have basic Figma. So I'm going to choose the first Figma, and then this is going to redirect you to this figma.com site where you want to allow access to Claude. Agree, allow access. And now our Figma should be connected, so you should see this configure button next to it. And from here you can allow or block all of the permissions. So you can see that you have, let's say, category for only reading. You have then also some write and delete tools, right? So you can choose it from here. And now we can go to the new chat. And now if you click on this plus button over here, then you want to go to connectors again. And then you want to hover your mouse at from Figma. And from here you have many different options what you can do. So you can, let's say, add custom rules. And you can scroll through this. And that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.